first you learn, and then after learning you start building a product. After building a product, then you test it before launching, and after launch testing, then you launch the product, and then you take a feedback from the market. But this model of startup is reverse, totally upside down. Here we say first build the product, bana do. After you build the product, launch it without testing, right? You might find it very vague, but that is the right kind of approach. Why? Because a lot of time is wasted when we are testing the product, and we know that we are not a brand, right? When you are a startup, you don't have to compare. Think like, I have seen a lot of founders think like, that they're a brand like Patanjali or Amazon or Microsoft, right? हम तो सब कुछ पक्का पक्का करेंगे, अच्छा करेंगे, furnish करेंगे. No, you're wasting time. Whatever you might do does not matter, because people know you are not a brand, and they know you are not a brand. Then it's good to make mistakes, focus on fast delivering the product and bringing that product to the market. And then once the product is out, focus on the customer.